So for the last 9 years of my YouTube channel, you've clicked on my What I Got for Christmas video, fully expecting me to unbox some lavish designer handbag, maybe some expensive shoes, luxury jewelry. I mean, after all, that's how my YouTube channel started and it grew. Louis Vuitton, Chanel, Cartier, they were my favorites. But as I continued to grow on YouTube, my interest in luxury items faded. So in recent years, around this time, I found myself scouring websites, designer websites, for anything I could possibly buy myself, or I could tell Josh to buy me, so that I could still create these annual luxury What I Got for Christmas videos. It became forced, and it no longer was true to me. So this year, we're doing things a little different. This is what I actually wanted and got for Christmas. Welcome to my basement. So in this video, I'm gonna be sharing 3 gifts that I got for Christmas. Something for the family, something Josh got for me, and then something I bought for myself. They're all so random and so unexpected. You're never gonna guess any of them. Up first, we have this good old tankless water heater. That's right, a tankless water heater with a recirculating pump. So right before Christmas, perfect timing, our water heater died. And so the guy came out, he assessed the situation, he gave us several options, and we splurged on the tankless water heater and the recirculating pump, which means when I am across the house, in my bedroom, in my bathroom, and I turn on the water, instant hot water. I'm sure many of you already have this feature in your home. We did not. And let me tell you, this is a great Christmas present. Okay, so the next Christmas present also has to do with a tank. Yes, a tank. And I don't mean a hot water tank or even a cute tank top. No, I'm actually talking about this ugly propane tank. Every time we're here at the cabin, I'm like, wow, nature is stunning, the trees are magical, the cabin is perfect, and then boom, industrial propane missile tank right in the middle of this paradise. And so guess what I wanted Josh to get me? Did he get me Cartier? No. Louis Vuitton? No. He got me a buried propane tank. That's right, people. This girl's Christmas gift was a hole in the ground. We buried the propane tank. Here is the after. I'm literally standing on my Christmas present. I know it's snowy right now, but still, the nature, it's beautiful. And there's no distracting, ugly tank. Thank you, Josh. Alrighty, so we've made it to the third and final present, the gift that I bought for myself. And you've probably gathered by now, I'm not actually filming this on Christmas because we want Christmas to be special with the kids. And I'm sure, in fact, I know they have a couple gifts for me that are probably gonna be super cute and trump all of this stuff. But the gift that I've been pining for this year, like this is what I wanted, and I treated myself. I'm just gonna show you what I did as a result of getting these gifts for myself. And this is a big deal. This is impressive for Shea, okay? Freshly milled homemade bread. So I bought myself a grain mill, specifically the Nutri-Mill. So it was kind of expensive, and honestly what was more expensive was the mixer. I got the Uni Pro Mixer, and I got wheat berries. Like, this is not sourdough. This is not just like a homemade loaf of bread. This is freshly milled bread. So usually when you go out to the grocery store and you buy bread, I mean, always, it is very processed. They take out the bran and the germ, and that's like the most nutritious portion of the wheat. I think it's only the endosperm that's left over. Anyway, the bread is dead. It's not good for us. So I've been reading how amazing freshly milled bread is, but you have to get some type of mill. So the Nutri-Mill is what I got. It's amazing. Here's some footage of me using it. Followed a super freaking easy recipe. Shout out to Whitney. She's actually a follower of mine. I think I mentioned in either a Prime Day video, I don't know, some Black Friday video. I was talking about some sale and how like I'm interested in this, and she emailed me. And I had been watching TikTok videos. I had been watching YouTube videos, Googling stuff, and I was learning all about this process, and everyone was saying how it's such a big learning curve, which I think it probably is. But anyway, she lives near me, ironically, and she was like, if you have any questions, here's my blog, and I went to her website. I'm gonna link it down below. The best beginner recipe that I found, and so that's what I followed, and it was so easy. It was so easy. The hardest part, which is not even hard, is just like, there's a few steps where you have to like let it rest or nap or just like proof or rise or whatever. You just have to follow those steps, and boom. Look what now the thing is, it's not like the perfect loaf by any means. This is my first one. I made 2. We already consumed the other one. It's so freaking delicious. But I didn't spray the loaf pan properly, so the edges stuck. So that's the only thing that I would change. And it's the most delicious freaking bread, guys. I am so proud of myself, and this is so incredibly nutritious. I mean, even just taking it back to the Bible, give us this day our daily bread. Like bread, real bread, is incredibly nutritious for us. It heals our gut. I might do a whole video, an experiment where I eat this for 30 days to see what changes, because people claim, and there's all these testimonials and videos I see of when you eat this bread, it truly heals you, like, of different things. And so I'm kind of curious, like, what will happen when I eat this every day? My kids love it, Josh loves it, and yeah, this is my Christmas present to myself. I hope you found this, I don't know, just realistic, because this is what I got for Christmas. If you love a good luxury gift, or, a nice designer bag, or I love jewelry, I don't want you to take this video the wrong way, but I just wanted to share like what I actually wanted for Christmas, okay? So hopefully you found it interesting, and I hope you have a wonderful, Merry Christmas with your family and your loved ones, and I hope to see you very soon in my next video.